Ask you to say two words.
Thank you. If I may use English that everybody understands. I believe that Slovenian language is beautiful, but it is also quite complicated to understand. So, Your Excellency, and my friend, Krzysztof Kamiński, let me congratulate you on behalf of the National Council of the Republic of Slovenia and also diplomats here in this room at your double celebration, the Foreign Service Day and also 104th anniversary of diplomatic notification of Poland regaining independence. Your country has a long tradition of statehood, long tradition of democracy, and also great respect among the European countries. Somehow you were always on the edge of happening in European Union. Nowadays, European Union and your country and your nation also helped to shape Europe as we know today. I would like also to congratulate you and to express our gratitude at the role of the Republic of Poland in sense of solving the crisis caused by the aggression of Russian Federation towards the Ukraine. You did excellent job. You expose yourself as one of the best possible neighbors to the Ukraine. And as much as I can say, we can admire you for your courage to stand up for democracy, for freedom, for the common values which we all represent in our countries and the European Union as a whole. I am very happy that I had a chance to cooperate with you and your predecessor, Mr. Paweł Czerwiński. It was a great experience of friendship, very frankly, exchange of opinions and also issuing help each other to improve the relations between our two countries and our two nations. I can see Poland as a partner of the Republic of Slovenia in the future and one of the pillars of European Union. It is something that makes us rich in our life when we understand and when we respect the differences between the countries of European Union. Our mutual future is possible only if we understand the differences between us and find the solutions that suit for all of members of the European Union. So we help European Union to be an active player on the strategic screen of the modern world. Once again, congratulations at 2 anniversaries. I wish all the best to the Republic of Poland, and as well, I wish all the best to the relations between Slovenia and the Republic of Poland, and also I hope you agree with the other countries, members of the European Union, and those who want to become.
Thank you very much.